Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Codashop Honest Review. So Codashop is basically a game top-up marketplace, the kind of site you use to buy diamonds, coins, credits for games like MLBB, Valorant, Genshin, and etc. Now without needing to log into the game store directly. So the way it works is pretty simple. You choose the game, then you either do a direct top-up, you type the in-game user ID, server ID, or you buy a voucher code. After that, you pick the amount, choose a payment method, add your email for the receipt and for voucher delivery, pay, and the credits usually land in the game account pretty fast. Now, the big reason people like Codashop here is convenience. Now, lots of local payment options, and it's actually designed so you usually only need your game ID, not your password. No, that's something people repeat on Reddit too, especially in like Hoyoverse and Genshin communities. UID is enough. Don't ever give your a login here. And if anyone is asking you for a password, that's a red flag, and that's not how Codashop top-ups are supposed to work. Now, is it actually worth using? Well, if you're going to refer to reviews on, let's just say, Trustpilot here, well, it sits in the 3.9 out of 5 trust rating. Now, with around like 20,000 plus reviews, which is pretty strong signal that a lot of transactions go through fine. Now, the most common positive vibe here is fast delivery, easy payments. The complaints that shows up are usually about failed payments, errors during checkout, or items not received situations. And you'll see Shop replying to reviews pretty often here, so as you can see, they're replying at least. So the two real watch outs people run into are refunds and fake links. Now Coda's policy here basically says if the publisher confirms that items was delivered, it's treated as final. And if you type the wrong game ID, that's on you. And they won't refund incorrect purchases. Now, if you were charged but didn't receive an item, they say to contact them within 30 days so they can investigate and decide if a refund or replacement applies. And on the security side here, Codashop itself warns about like phishing, scammer, copying the look of Codashop, sends like links via SMS or via email, and try to trick you into giving OTPs or payment info. Now, they typically say that they would never ask OTPs, bank passwords, or e-wallet pins over emails or SMS. Now, is it actually worth using right now? Now, if you're using the real Codashop or Codashop site here, you double check, you type the correct player ID, and you understand that mistakes purchases usually aren't refundable, then yeah, the overall feedback here is or suggests that it's a solid pick, convenient top-up option. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.